how to use Microsoft Teams for remote collaboration. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Microsoft Teams for remote collaboration. So without further ado, let us begin. So after opening up Microsoft Teams, you'll be redirected here. So first, I'll just cover these tools right here on the left side. So first is we have chat. So in here, you'll get to see all of the chats right here within your team or with the people that you're chatting with. Next is Meet. So in here, you can create a meeting link right here within Microsoft Teams. Next is Communities. So in here, you can create your communities right here where you can invite people. Next is Calendar. So basically, you'll just get to see a calendar right here. And then you can also schedule meetings within this calendar. And then Activity, you'll get to see all the notifications right here within your Microsoft Teams. So you will see mentions right here, reactions, and other notifications as well. So yeah, so let's just start off by creating a community. So to do that, just simply click on create your own right here. There you go. Or you could just simply start with a template right here. So you can start with a school template, a business template, sports, professional, life events, arts and culture, gaming, youth organization, neighborhood, parent, and volunteering. So feel free to choose which kind of template you want to use, but for me, I'll just create my own. There you go. Afterwards, it will now ask you the name of your community. So I'll just name it as my community, just like that. You can also add a description right here as well, just like this. And then you can also set the community guidelines right here. So if you want to edit out, just simply click on that pencil and then just type in your own community guidelines. Next is you can also set it to public or private. So if you turn this on, it will make the community appear in search and may show up in recommendations. And at the bottom right here is you can also require admin approval to join. So community owners must approve new members before they can join this said community. And at the top right here is you can also upload a community avatar if you want to, which will just open up your file explorer and then you can just upload an image from there. So yeah, so once you're done customizing your community, just simply click on create. And then there you go, we have now made our community. So in the community we've made, we can post right here. So you can just type in a message within your post, add a subject, just like that. And then within this section right here, you can add and change the formatting settings right here, like making your text bold, italicizing it, underlining it, adding a strike through, adding bullets, highlights, changing the font color, and a lot more. So feel free to view any of these sections out. At the bottom right here, you can also upload or add emojis and GIFs. You can also upload images, upload files, and then this plus button right here will allow you to upload like celebrations, weather, stocks, Wikipedia search, and polls. You can also allow this to be notified via email, post type, so you can change the post type right here to a post or announcement. And then once you're done configuring your post, you can just simply click on post, and then there you go. And then if you want to upload an announcement, just simply click on announcement right there, and then you can just type in your announcement, just like that, announcement. And then there you go. You can add a subheading right here for your announcement, and then the message of your announcement. And then once you're done configuring your announcement, just simply click on post, and then that announcement will now be posted. So when you're posting, people within your community can react to these. So you can send reactions right here, just like that. You can also add additional reactions if you want to. And then you can also reply or comment within these announcements or posts, just like this. Reply, and then there you go. And then when you reply, you can send emojis or GIFs, images, files, and etc. So I'll just click on send, and then there you go. A reply has been sent. So okay. At the top right here, we have files. So in here, you'll get to see all the files being shared within your community and photos as well. At the top right here, we have events. So in here, you can create events right here within your community. So when you click on create event, you can create an event right here. So just simply add the title of your event. So I'll just name it as event. You can set the date for that event, the time for that event, and the duration on when the event is going to end. Or you can just set it to all day if you want to, just like that. And then you can make the event repeat or not. Add the location of the event. And then you can also set it if it's an online event or a physical event. And then you can add details of the event right here. And then there you go. And then some tools right here at the top that will allow you to format some text right here for the details of the event. So yeah. Then at the top right here, you can also change the image right here, the cover image of the event. So yeah, and then once you're done, just simply click on send right here if you want to send the event, just like that. And then there you go. And there you go. So you can use this invite link to invite more people, even if they're not on Teams. So you can do that. Just simply click on copy and then just simply send it to anyone within the teams, or you can just simply send it to other messaging platforms. And then when we go back to posts right here within our community, as you can see, we have now posted an event right here, so people can join right here with this event. So yeah. And then at the top right here is we have invite members. So in here you can invite the members to your community. So just simply add their name right here, their email or phone number, and then you can just simply click on invite, and then they will now be sent an invite. Next is share the joint link. So if you don't want to invite members via this one, you can just share the link to them. Then some manage community settings right here that you can use. So you can set nicknames right here, view the members. You also get to see the member requests, blocked, and some settings right here that you can utilize, like creating a new link. So existing community links and QR codes will be disabled, and you can also allow members to share the link to this community. So yeah, so feel free to view this section out. Moving on, in the left side over here is we have add a channel. So we can add channels right here. So you can set the emoji of this channel right here, and then I'll just add the name of the channel. So I'll just name it as channel 1. Click on add, and then there you go. We have now created another channel within our community. So in this channel, when you click on these three dots right here, you can edit the channel. So basically editing the channel can allow you to change the icon and the name. And then you can just simply delete that channel if it's up to no use anymore. And then in this channel, you can just basically do the same things that you did a while ago in this section right here in the community. So in this channel section, you can post. So again, I'll just add a post right there. Post, just like that. Announcements. So I'll just add another announcement right there, just like that. Boom. Files as well. You also get to see the shared files right here within this community, and photos. At the top right here, you can also schedule events right here in a channel, invite members, share the join link, and you can also manage this community as well. So yeah. Moving on, if you want to edit out more settings right here within your community, you can do so just by clicking on these three dots right here that says more options. And then there you go, and then this thing will pop up. You can also share the join link right here, invite a member, set some notification settings, manage community, edit the community, community bot, report a concern, leave community, or just simply delete the community. So in manage the community, again, this thing will pop up again where you can manage the community right here, the members, the member requests, the block, and the settings. Editing the community will allow you to edit the name of the community, edit the description, the guidelines, setting it to private or public, and the approval for anyone to join. Next is community bot. So in here, this bot will allow you to welcome members right here whenever someone joins. So you can change the title right here, like welcome to the community, just like that. And then you can just add a simple message right here. So when anyone joins a community, this message will pop up. And then afterwards, you can also change the image right here, or the banner image, for when someone joins your community. So yeah, so once you're done, you can do a preview just like that. And then there you go. This is what the preview looks like. And then you can just click on save once you're ready to use this. So just simply click on save. And then there you go. We have now edited out the community bot. And then if you have some other concerns, you can just simply report a concern right here. And then if you want to leave a community, you can do so just by clicking on leave, and delete the community if you want to delete it. So yeah. Then at the top right here is we also have a search bar that will allow you to search people, messages, and files, and more within this community. And after that, that's pretty much it. At the top right here, also some filtering options, and then you can click on this plus button right here to create another community if you want to. So yeah. You can also add additional channels if you want to as well, with a maximum of 5 channels that you can add. And then yeah, so I'll just delete this community as an example, delete it, delete permanently, and then there you go, the community is gone, and then you can now start creating a new one. And then after that, you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Microsoft Teams. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.